Today, I want to help you understand that stress in general is not bad for you. Stress is important, so I want to speak about the stress advantage and the stress management competency. My name is Julia Arndt, and I'm a stress and mindfulness trainer, personal development coach, and keynote speaker. And you can head over to my YouTube channel if you are interested to learn more about stress management. If you are interested to create an empowered life for yourself, if you are interested to invest in yourself and to learn how to deal with stress, how to deal with difficult situations, how to deal with feedback, and how to deal with stress in the workplace. There's a little subscribe button right here underneath this video, so make sure that you hit subscribe and that you also hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, because if you do that, you will receive notifications every time I'm posting new content on this YouTube channel, and I'm posting new content every Monday and every Friday. So let's jump into the question, why is stress good for me? Right? You might be asking that right now. And I'm telling you, stress is really important for you. You wouldn't be probably sitting in front of this video right now, watching me speak to you, if you wouldn't have the different stress hormones in your body activated. There are two types of stress hormones, the adrenaline and cortisol, and many other stress hormones, but those are the two most important ones. And those help you to be active in your life. They help you to be motivated, they help you to be focused, and they help you to deliver results. The problem with stress is, and what you probably know about stress, is that it can get too much. We can have too much stress. If we are constantly cruising on this high level of stress hormone release, then that's not good for you, because then you will start feeling the effects of not giving your body and mind a break. You will start feeling unmotivated. You will start feeling unfocused, tired, exhausted, maybe overwhelmed. Maybe you can't concentrate really well enough anymore. And those are first signals from your body and from your mind to tell you that you need to take a break. Think about stress management as a type of heart rate. You're having ups, kind of tension periods, and relaxation periods. If you are constantly cruising on heart rate levels that are kind of just in that tension state, then you're having a straight line. And what happens if there is a straight line on a heart rate monitor? You're dead, exactly, because you can't keep them up. Your body needs both. Your body and mind needs both. They need a balance between tension states and relaxation states. It's the biggest mistake that we are thinking that stress is unhealthy for us. It's just energy. See stress as energy. That is really, really important. So when you're seeing stress as energy, you know that, okay, I have energy right now, but at some point my energy is depleted. See it as kind of like a bank account, or see it as your energy account. You can withdraw energy from your bank account, but at some point there's no energy left. The account is at zero. And sometimes the biggest mistake that we're doing is we keep withdrawing energy from that account. And then we're in minus. And when we're going deeper and deeper and deeper into credit, then we are cruising on a pretty dangerous level, right? So what do we need to do? We need to take a step back and we need to relax and recharge in order to put energy reserves back into our bank account. And so tension and relaxation states are extremely important. But if you understand that stress is just energy, and if once you have withdrawn all of the energy, you need to take time to relax and bring that energy back, then you can start being extremely successful, right? Because once you've understood that, it's really powerful knowledge and really powerful information. Once you understand that you take energy away, you need to give energy back. It's the same thing in a relationship. You can't just always take, no matter if you're talking about a relationship with your partner or with a stakeholder or with a client, you can't just always take. You also need to give back. Because what happens if you're just taking, or if the other person is just taking, It creates an unhealthy balance. So everything in life is about finding a good balance between tension and relaxation, giving and taking, good days and bad days. So all of these things are just part of our life. And what is really important is that you can learn how to manage stress. Stress management, just like anything in life, is a competency. It is a skill. It is something that you need to learn. It is something that you need to practice. It's something that you need to test and iterate and again try out and do on a regular basis in order to take energy and fill energy. Look at it from a physical perspective. You understand nowadays that you need to go regularly to the gym to work out, to stay active and healthy. You don't need to go to the gym, but you need to be active, right? And you understand that it is pretty important to eat healthy. You know that you can't just eat healthy once and you will never eat healthy again. You need to consistently eat healthy foods in order to stay healthy. And that is the exact same thing when we're talking about stress management and mental health. In order to be healthy, in order to be mentally healthy, in order to be strong, in order to be performant, in order to be able to deliver good results on a constant, great basis, we need the relaxation phases. And we need to practice it. We need to do it, because if we are taking some time to recharge, let's talk about it from a vacation perspective, right? We're going maybe on vacation 2 times a year for 2 weeks. Maybe you don't even do that. And then we are taking time to recharge. But if you had 5 or 6 months where you were just pushing and pushing and pushing, that energy level or that energy bank account might be filled up a little bit after you went on vacation for 2 weeks. But maybe you're still in debt because you have just exploited your body and mind for such a long period of time that you still need more time, that you still need more relaxation phases, that you need to integrate the relaxation phases on a daily level. We need to do it over and over and over again. Maybe not every day. You don't go to the gym or you are not active every day, but you do it maybe 3 times a week or you do it 4 times a week because you know it's important. You don't just do it once a year for 2 weeks, right? This is exactly what stress management is about and the stress advantage is about. Because once you understand that stress is just information from your body and it is a help from your body to keep you performant and focused, then you understand that in order to help your body give you that, you need to give back, right? You're taking energy from your body, you need to give your body energy back. So the stress advantage is really important to understand. It is really important to understand that you need to practice stress management on a regular basis, and that stress management is a skill that everyone can learn. Everyone can learn a language. Every one of us has probably learned how to drive a car. We have learned so many different things in our life. And once we have created a new competency, it will be a lot easier as well to integrate that in our life, in our daily life on a consistent basis, and to live a really happy and powerful life, to always deliver great results at work. How great would that be? We all want to do that. No matter if you're an employee or no matter if you have your own company, you want to be performant. And you can only be performant if you're taking relaxation phases. So I hope this was really clear. And your question probably now is, okay, how can I start getting into stress management? How can I learn the stress management skill? And you're very lucky because there's a lot of videos on my YouTube channel that go a lot more into depth of how you can start managing your stress. How can you spend your relaxation phases? How can you deal with triggers? How can you develop yourselves in order to create an empowered life for yourself? I hope you enjoy all of these videos, and I thank you for being here. I thank you for enjoying this information and for giving it a little like if you enjoyed the information in this video. With gratitude, Julia.